It was the coldest I had ever been, not unpleasantly cold, just completely, honestly cold, like the world was telling you the truth. Astrid walked ahead of us without a torch. She knew this darkness. We followed the sound of her footsteps in the snow. And then she stopped and pointed up. At first, I didn't see it. A faint green shimmer at the edge of the sky, and then it moved. Neither of us said anything. Kacper raised his camera, looked through the viewfinder, lowered it, raised it again. Then he put it in his pocket. I had never seen him look like that before. I don't think I was supposed to. I reached out and took his hand. He didn't pull away. Astrid said one thing in Norwegian. I asked what it meant. She thought for a moment. She said, "It always comes back." I think she meant the lights, but I'm not sure she only meant the lights. He didn't say anything. He just nodded, like the whole world was made of nods.